So whenever you have somebody fix a shower pan in your house, and if they're not a licensed plumber, they may not go to the trouble of putting this little ball, it's a little ball that's filled with air, in the drain, and then they fill it with water. It by code has to sit there for 24 hours, right? And not lose the water. And that's to check for leaks. Now, I constantly hear from people that are telling me they've had showers just put in and they leaked all over the bathroom. Well, that's probably, I would suspect, when the tile guy, which is not uncommon, says, hey, don't worry about it, I'll do the shower pan. Well, if you let the tile guy do it, that's fine, but if he doesn't water test the shower pan, you could possibly have a big problem. And trust me, you don't want that problem after the tile is in. So, I just wanted to show you guys this video to give you a heads up on that.